This tall pink bird is a flamingo. Let's spell it Flamingo. Flamingo. Kids, देखो ये एक पैर पर ऐसे खड़ा रहता है. Kids, this is a peacock. Let's spell it Peacock. Peacock. It is a beautiful bird and it dances in the rain.
Kids, look. This is an owl. Let's spell it O-W-L. Owl. Owls can see very well at night. Owl.
Kids, this is an eagle. Let's spell it E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Eagles fly very high in the sky.
Kids, this is a crow. Spell it C-R-O-W. Crow. Crows are black and very smart birds. Wow, look at the giraffe. It's so tall. It eats those leaves so fast. Haha. Bye, giraffe. Kids, look, this is a sparrow. Let's spell it S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. It is a small bird and it sings very. Kids, this is a parrot. Let's spell it P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Kids, देखो ये किंगफिशर बर्ड है. चलो स्पेलिंग बोलते हैं. K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R. किंगफिशर. ये मछली ऐसे पकड़ता है. Zoom, पानी में जंप. देखो मिल गई फिश. Go. Kids, this is a flamingo. Spell it F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O. Flamingo. Flamingos stand on one leg and are pink in color.